Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm your idea for GSIM is active and mobile data is allowed. Once done, turn off Wi-Fi so the phone uses the SIM, then open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Mobile Network depending on your phone. Make sure to view the access point names list and tap Add or New APN to create a fresh profile. This prevents accidental edits to a working APN. This step starts the hands-on configuration quickly and cleanly. Now you input the actual settings. Type the display name as IDEA4G and the APN value your operator specifies, often IDEA or the exact provider string. Once entered, leave username and password blank unless your carrier provided values, and verify MCC/MNC auto-filled from the SIM. Don't change them unless instructed. Then set APN type to default, SUPL, or Internet, and choose APN protocol IP4/IP6. Finish by saving the new APN profile and selecting it as active. Then toggle mobile data off and on or reboot your phone to force a fresh connection. After reboot, open a browser or a data-intensive app to confirm you have internet access and acceptable speed. If it fails, reset APNs to defaults, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and reselect the profile. If still no data, double-check the APN string and MCC/MNC values, because a single typo often blocks connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.